Here in this AP, the first term is 7 and the nth term is 205. We have to find the number of terms. A is given 7, D is second term minus first term. 13 minus 7, which is 6. This is the last term. We'll write it as AN equal to 205. Now we need to find out N. To find out N, we'll apply the formula of AN. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. Since we are given with AN, so we are applying the formula of AN. Put the values here. AN is 205. A is 7. N we have to find out. And D is given 6. Shift this 7 on this side. 205 minus 7 equal to N minus 1 into 6. Subtract these two. 205 minus 7, 198 equal to N minus 1 into 6. Shift this 6 on this side. 198 upon 6 equal to N minus 1. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Shift this 1 on this side. 33. Now we are shifting this 1. Plus 1 equal to N. So N is equal to 34. So 34th term is 205. We have to check whether this minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. We have to find out whether it is a term of this AP or not. So we assume that it is nth term of the AP. AN equal to minus 150. A is given 11. B is second term minus first term. 8 minus 11, which is minus 3. Now we apply the formula of AN. A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is minus 150, A is 11, and we have to find out, and D is minus 3. 11, multiply this with this one, minus 3n, and minus plus 3. 11 plus 3 is 14, minus 3n equal to minus 150. Minus 150, shift is 14, minus 14 equal to minus 3n. Minus 164 equal to minus 3n. Cancel this with this one. Now shift this 3 in the denominator. 164 upon 3. It is not possible to divide these two, since n is not an integer. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of AP. An AP may have 1 term, 2 term, 10 term, 100 terms. The number of terms means n, will always be an integer value. N must be an integer value. Since here n is not an integer value, it means it can't be a term of this AP. Here in this problem, it is given that 11th term is 38. 11th term means A11, which is 38. 16th term is 73. 16th term means A16. It is 73. We have to find out 31st term means A31 we have to find out. These two things are given and this we have to find out. Now A11. A11 means when we apply the formula of AN, it is A plus N minus 1. N minus 1 means 11 minus 1. 11 minus 1 is 10D, which is 38. Here for A16, we have to write A plus 16 minus 1, that is 15D. We are applying the formula of AN, which is A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 11, so here we are having 10D. Here N is 16, so we are having 15D. Now we have to solve these two equations. To solve these two equations, we are using elimination method. Subtract these two equations. 10 minus 15 is minus 5D. This minus this is minus 35. Minus to minus cancel. D equal to 35 upon 5, which is equal to 7. Put in first A plus 10 into 7 equal to 38. A plus 70 equal to 38. So A equal to 38 minus 70, which is minus 32. Now we need to find out A31. A31. For A31, we have formula A plus 30D. A is minus 32 plus 30 and D is 7. So minus 32 plus 210. 30 into 7 is 210. Now subtract this 32 from this one, which is 178. That is the answer for this problem. Here it is given an AP consists of 50 terms. There are overall 50 terms in AP, whose third term is 12. Third term means A3 is equal to 12. Last term, since we are having 50 term, so this last term will be 50th term, which is 106. 29th term means A29 we have to find out. Now here it is given A3 is 12. A3 will be A plus 2D, which is 12 first equation. Here it is given 50th term, A50. A50 will be A plus 49D, is 106. It is according to the formula of AN. A plus this N minus 1, 3 minus 1 will be 2 and D. Here A, this N minus 1 means 50 minus 1 will be 49 and D. Now subtract these two equations. Minus 47D equal to minus 94. D equal to 94 upon 47, which is equal to 2. Put in first A plus 2, D is 2 equal to 12. A plus 4 equal to 12. A equal to 12 minus 4, which is 8. Now we have to find out A29. A29. For this we have formula A plus 28D. A is given 8 plus 28 and D is 2. 28 to the 56 plus 8. 56 plus 8 is 64. The 29th term is 64.